Here's the issue with that argument. As I have demonstrated here for you, Gray argued that voting for Democrats repeatedly would signal a willingness to change the party, to let the party, drift further right. This point holds some merit, but it overlooks the fact that the 2016 election, in which Hillary Clinton lost, already sent a clear message that voters were not entirely satisfied with the Democratic status quo. It's essential to recognize that the Democratic Party is not a monolith and its constituents hold varying beliefs and priorities. Painting it with a broad brush oversimplifies a complex political landscape.